Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will be showing you how to sideload applications to your Google TV. If you've been struggling on how to install applications not available on your Google Play Store to your Google TV, then this is the video for you, and I'll highly recommend you watch the video right up to the end. Also, if you find it helpful, please do not forget to like, subscribe and share so that you will encourage us to create more videos like this. That's it, let's get into it. So here's my Google TV. I'm using the On TV box, and this tutorial will work on any device that runs on Google TV. I'm referring to On TV, Chrome TV, Chromecast, Mi TV box or Mi TV stick. Any of these devices, this is going to work. So if you're wondering how do you install applications that are not available on your Google Play Store, this is the video and I'll show you everything you need to follow on your Google TV. So the very first thing you need to do on your Google TV is to make sure that your Google TV is able to install applications from unknown sources. By default, that option is turned off, sorry. You need to go ahead and turn that on. So to turn it on your Google TV or any Google TV device or any device that runs on Google TV, just go over to your settings. Now your settings, go to quick settings and you go over to your full settings. Please, I keep repeating, this is not just limited for On TV. This works on any Google TV. So go over to your system settings and go down to about and go to the Android TV OS build. Click on it 4 times or 5 times until there's this pop-up below that says no need, you are already a developer. Once this option is turned on, then you'll be able to install applications from unknown sources. So this is only the method, or this is the only way on Google TV that you'll be able to install applications from unknown sources. You can go ahead and check it out. Just come down to the option here that says unknown source, developer option. Here's it over here. Oh, what did I do? So I'll go over to the developer options over here. See, it is turned on. Just make sure this is turned on. You have to first of all turn it on or enable it before you turn it on over here. So once those 2 steps are done, you can then go ahead and install applications from unknown sources. So now there are several ways to install applications from unknown sources. There are many ways. I think in this video I'll be showing you 3 of the ways I use. So the very first way is to use your browser. Now I'm using Google TV and there are lots of browsers you could use, but for my sake here, on my Google TV here, I have this browser app here. If you want to install it, there's a video on my YouTube channel on how to install it. So I'm just going to use it for the sake of this video, but if you're using any Google TV, you can also use any browser to perform this step. Now if I launch the browser app, it's just called browser app. This is the logo for it. If I launch it and I go over to the browser feature over here and I'm going to search an application. So for instance, I'm going to search this application called APK Time. If you know what APK Time is an app store and it is not available on the Google Play Store. So I'll go ahead and search it here on this browser, and to make it easier for my browser to know what I'm searching, I'm going to add the suffix apk at the end. So I'm going to add apk to tell my browser that I'm searching for the apk version of this application. Now anytime you go back to your browser and search for any application and add apk at the end, it is going to show you apks of that application that you can download and install to your TV device. That's exactly what I'm doing here. So as you can see, there are many results that I have here. On the first page I have 3. I have the first one from Malavida, I have the second one from APK Time, I have the third one from Softonic. My most trusted one is the Malavida option, but if Malavida is not available, then I'll use Softonic. So anytime you search an application or an APK of an application, if you see Malavida, I will recommend you using Malavida because most of the APKs on Malavida, they do work on TV devices. So if I click on it, here's how it brings us to this place. So I'm just going to click on APK Time, APK, and it's going to bring me to the download page here. So I'm sorry, mine is showing in English. I'm living in a region where we speak both English and French, so mine is not showing in English, but just follow attentively what you see me do. The symbols are still the same. So go over here and click on Télécharger. In your case, it is going to be download. If you are English speaking person, in your case it will show download. So go over here and click on download over here. Once you click download, it's going to redirect us to the page where we'll download the application. So just asking for confirmation, and then we'll click on download over here, and then the application is going to start downloading to your Google TV. So just give it a couple of seconds, it won't waste time. So it's just quickly going to download, and then I'll show you how to install it. So Once the application is done downloading like this, just click on it once, or just move your selector to where it is and click on it once, and then it will bring you to the option of installing the APK. So we downloaded the APK. Now we are going to install it. It is installed. Once it's installed, please do not open it straight away. Please delete the APK file from your Google TV. So just click over here and take delete, and then you're good to go. This is to save space. Now if I return home, you're going to realize the APK time has been installed. So that's how to install an application using your browser without needing Google Play Store. I just sideloaded this application. Now if I go ahead and launch this application APK time is also an app store with lots of different applications that you can download and install to your Google TV. So if you launch it, it's like a mini app store, and most of these applications you won't find them on the Google Play Store, but some of them are on the Google Play Store. So you go over, for instance, to players and browsers over here, and you click on it. You're going to see lots of players that are used on Android TV, Google TV, and even Fire Stick devices. So you can install them. But anyway, let's not waste time. You can use APK time to install applications. Let me move on to the next set of application, or next set. But so far I've showed you two ways to sideload application. The first way is using your browser, the second way is using APK time. And the next way I'm going to show you is also using another application, in this case the Unlinked application. And just like we downloaded the APK time application, we're also going to download the Unlinked application to our Google TV. So go over to your browser and just type in Unlinked, and just like we did with the APK time, we're going to add a suffix APK. So remember, when using your browser, always add this suffix at the end. So once you type in that and you go ahead and search, it's going to bring you to the page for the Unlinked application. So Unlinked is another application that you could use to install apps to your Google TV. So there are two options here: there's Softonic and there's Malavida. We use Malavida in the first option. Let's try Softonic in the second option. So once you go over here, here's the application. Please, I really apologize that mine is in French, but if you are following attentively, the symbols are all in English. So if you go over here and just click on the download option, and you're going to download the application, what am I doing? So just go over and click on download. Sorry, moving with this remote is kind of trouble. So they're going to pop up the ad, just get it off, and then the application is going to start downloading, or it's going to redirect us to the download page. Just click on it once, and then it will start downloading to our Google TV. I keep wanting to say Android TV. Please, this is Google TV. Now once it's done downloading, just like the previous APK time, we are going to go ahead and install it again to our Google TV. So just click on install and wait for it to completely install to your Google TV. So I've showed you already how to download files with your browser. Now once it's done installing, please delete the app file or the APK file to save space on your Google TV. If we return home, you are going to see Unlinked has been downloaded and installed to our Google TV. Now Unlinked is an app that you have to add in codes to unlock libraries of applications. So there are many library codes. If you go back to my YouTube channel, there is a video I made with 8 different libraries. But for this video, I'm just going to use the most popular library I use a lot in my videos, which is everything. So just type in exactly as you see me type. There shouldn't be a space at the end, and if you go ahead and launch it, it's going to bring you to this library of applications that you can download and install to your Google TV. So there are many applications there, and I'm sorry, I'm going to be blurring this so that my video doesn't have any issues with YouTube policies. So there are many applications here you can download. Just follow the steps and it will bring you straight away to this platform. So in this video, I've showed you 3 ways to sideload applications. The first way is using your browser, the second way is using APK time, and the third way is using Unlinked application. If you try any of these 3 ways, you won't have to worry about sideloading any application to your Google TV. So that's it about this video. If you found it helpful, please do us a favor, like, subscribe and share so that we'll be able to create more videos like this.